Hi everyone, today we're going to be making easy peasy pizza, and I'm almost embarrassed to make it because that is so easy, but this would be a good one for a cooking experience with your kids or grandkids. So what do we need for our easy peasy pizza? An already made pizza crust. And we're not going to be using any quantities because you can put whatever you want and how much you want on your pizza. This is just giving you an idea. Black olives, pineapple chunks drained, pizza sauce, cooked ham, bacon crumbles, and 2 types of cheeses. So let's begin. So the first thing you're going to want to do is preheat the oven to 425, and we have the ready-made pizza crust on the pizza pan, and we have some olive oil that we're going to brush on the pizza crust. And you want to get the ridge as well so it can brown also. And then we want to put our pizza sauce on there, and you can put as much pizza sauce as you would like. And just spread it all around. And like I said, this will be perfect for you and your kids or grandkids to spend some quality time in the kitchen. This is such an easy recipe, and it's really good. And then you want to go ahead and put a light layer of cheese on top of the sauce. And I do this because I like it extra cheesy. And we'll take our ham and cut it into pieces. And then we go ahead and put our ham all over the pizza. And you can put as much or as little as you like. I like to have ham in every bite. And then we're going to put the pineapple chunks on there. I drained it, and I bought the kind with pineapple juice and not the syrup, so I went ahead and just drank the juice. And go ahead and put the pineapple on there. Now my husband and I started eating ham and pineapple pizzas a long time ago. And then we added black olives to it, which we like that. So tonight we're going to try the bacon crumbles. Haven't tried that yet, but it sounds good. So even though this is an old favorite, it's going to be a little bit new. And we'll see whether we like that or whether we'll just go back to the way we had it before. And you can let me know down in the comments what your favorite pizza is, and give me some good recipe ideas. And then we'll put black olives on there. And like I said, you can do whatever ingredients you like. It's one thing nice about pizza. There's not a steady, fast, set rule as to what kind of pizza you should have. And then we're going to put the bacon crumbles on. And I know there's always a big debate about whether pineapple belongs on pizza or not. So give me your ideas on that as well. And then I usually top it with mozzarella. I didn't have any mozzarella. I'm going to use Italian. It does have mozzarella in it though. And then we'll just go ahead and put as much cheese on there as you'd like. And that looks pretty good. So we'll go ahead and put it in a 425-degree oven for 7 to 10 minutes. And if you like it crispier, then just let the edges brown. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. I let it cook for 14 minutes so the crust could brown, because my husband likes everything crispy. The cheese on top browned. So I'll go ahead and cut it up and then let my husband go ahead and taste test it.
I like that. It's got pineapple and, well, y'all already know what's on it. I didn't know what was on it.
And we are also going to be making Italian cream sodas today. What goes into Italian cream sodas? Ice, they say 3 or 4 cubes, but it depends on how much ice you actually want. Half a cup of club soda. 3 tablespoons of Torani flavored syrup, or you can use any flavored syrup like the ready-to-use syrups for shaved ice. That's the one I'm going to be using. 1 to 2 tablespoons of half and half. And then to top it off, whipped cream and maraschino cherries with stems. All right, so now what goes good with Italian pizza but Italian cream soda? So we'll go ahead and make that. So first you want to put ice in the glass, and I'm hoping it's equivalent to 3 to 4 ice cubes. And then you want to add 1/2 cup of club soda, 3 tablespoons of the flavored syrup. This is pina colada. And I'm using the snow cone flavored syrup. It was cheaper. And 2 tablespoons of half and half. And then you want to put whipped cream on the top and garnish it with a cherry. And we'll put a straw on it and have my husband give it a try. Now with Italian sodas, you do want to go ahead and mix it up with the straw so the flavors blend.
That's pretty tasty. I like that.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.